What's up, YouTube? I'm making this prop knife for games. That's TPU. That's really cool. First or second TPU print ever. Really sick. But I'm on a short schedule right now, so it's we're only going 300 millimeters a second. Like sorry. Trying to get it 300 millimeters a second. 91%. I gotta go in like 20 minutes. Hopefully it's good. But there's the rest of the parts. So you have your TPU blade, and that's like the handle and stuff. It's just finishing up on the screws. Oh, there you go. Subscribe, and I'll do things that you comment. Goodbye.